loves to push people's buttons, and he pushes mine. He has a shirt that said, "Put white back in the White House," and I instantly just can't hear him anymore because it makes me feel enraged and embarrassed, and I lose articulation of what I really want to say, and he's not listening anyways.
55% of white people think that racism against whites is as big of a problem as against people of color. A whole bunch of white people don't believe racism is real.
If you're white, you don't get away from this.
Sometimes I become so overwhelmed with frustration and emotion that I couldn't carry on.
I'm often paralyzed and don't know how to respond.
There's a whole bunch of white folks who do not have good skills in talking to their cousins and their mamas and their neighbors and their coworkers about racism, about this wound in society, and frankly, this wound among white people, white families who have wounds in their history that because people don't know how to have a good conversation about it. I've been doing dialogue work for 25 years.
Dr. Kempt is highly intelligent, absolutely committed to this work that he's doing.
You can tell that his heart is in this and it's a life work for him.
Dr. Kempt is both humorous and also direct and serious.
He really is great with the humor.
It was so varied and so engaging that I would come back tomorrow a third time if I could.
I've been to a lot of presentations, and this one I signed up and came again.
I'm so excited and for the first time, literally in my life, hopeful.
Don't hesitate.
I'll pick you up, I'll buy you coffee.
It would be a mistake not to come.
Good stuff, David.
Thank
It
you.
really, really is.
I appreciate
And I'm so grateful that you're doing what you're doing, and the world's that much better already.